National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Adams County, western Pike County, northwestern Scioto County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Peoples, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing damaging baseball-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds. Locations impacted include Peebles, Rardon, Piketon. In addition, Locust Grove, Serpent Mount, Smoky Corners, Mount Joy, Poplar Grove, Rat and Kincaid Springs are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.